Telling beats.
When the gun clash, fuck that bitch ass, it tells rap for your fucking back. Their fools come attack, one was massive fakeness all day, now who scared as a bat? Tearing that ass inside the hellish class of swelling, tech, get your fucking dwelling mad. Little Sicilian be the one yelling at selfish back, can't help his ass properly live. Got from these crib, black and blue, stacking you up in blood and round. Round and pound is how I'm found, sounding loud is why I'm proud, bitches. Dickless you will forever be, you faggot, raping, fuck, bitch ass, fucking clown. Bags rushing around Savior's complex for hours in heaven's ass, his rain showers. Had his brain sour like a coward's, now he noticing he truly lacking the power. I'ma beat him down like some downers, peddling out more than fucking flowers. Now your asses are saddest cause you really are a bunch of bitch made raping faggots. Savior's headed with this fucking game and busting ways up, in flames will fluctuate. Bust you greatest and saving Satan's on the agenda, I tell that ain't blender. When you're entering, I'm one centering as bitch in the middle, play like a fiddle. Riddle that little hoe ass, the sizzle cripple forever, low class, faggot fucks. Last touch on this bitch's brain is sitting was he's now missing page. Cripped out in pain, blood chopped in vain, cause God got your faggots finally awake. Trialing up and mistaken for his sacred Lord, bitch Satan's torn inside his fucking heart. Something harps in on the harmonica dripping, it's our honor in this chosen my son. God is drumming up another one to cover up the hated bitch made sis, fame, disdain. Bitch made insane in gay ways, I'm a devil up your ways like rebels unamazed. Devilish player settled in ways to cattle displays, blessing his ways to fuck. Who bust that gat and show this one once the pistol gun is stooled. Drumming cool slum, bitch you'll up the spit crow sunset school and all in one fuck the court. Bustle or show cripple once pistol gun screwed up, get you run in the tundra. But the fair part is there are fair smarts at that. Pissing bitch fishing and live attempt giving this bitch ass man his last chance. Treat me now dance like you been well trans. Who's too bitch to join the Lord in one accord? I know someone running wide, gunning by drones up high. We show them guys they all been fucked, all untied. Calling cries from blunderbys like the time. Strike one down into hell's blessed ground. Wrecking town just heavenly. I'm a zone out of bomb showered on the slob. Towers sounding hot now in shock. This how a mob just missed that your rip rap drop. This gas cops with fast dropping class bonded. That's the drop if I needed no spotted. Keeping hoes flocking to zero angels. Walking and best believe I'm back in the talking. Talking up the streets and bloody as fucking scenes is nothing to a mobster scene. After the Wayne and white mimic tried to get girl a lot of pearl all over the world. Scared fucking bitch, big man know this is and who's running you bitch crew you issued. You this true to you but fake in my place and this is a race to get placed. Rape was been mistaken if faking brain out blow it straight out the heavens gates. Rapping straight always all gay out your own life. Deny me wife and keep me sight. I'm darker than the darkest night and my heart is like the sharkest bites. Hardest mind alive, not my fault, just how I climb. I'm ready, motherfucking die. Brothers come and try me, I'm daring. I get despised by one that got a loose mind. Grind, I fight this screw of mine, just it gets formed like the pistol, short restful Lord. It's your turn, this burn this hurt and earning my right. Properly live life. Give me dream or rise, my bitch kindness, my doctor on the fucking mic. I'm judging life, fucking my enemy in hell's light, or inside his fucking mind. Come and find I'm out of sky, rested to my life and desolate the fucking tribe.